Our world is connected by a complex web of shipping lanes, yet these vital arteries are increasingly choked by congestion and rising global trade demands. Here, at the edge of the world, lies a frozen divide that has separated two massive continents for millennia, defying every attempt at human crossing. Traditional shipping through these waters is a logistical nightmare, where massive vessels are frequently trapped by unpredictable ice and the crushing force of winter. 80 kilometers of deadly waters and sub-zero temperatures represent the final frontier of global logistics, a gap that remains stubbornly closed to land transport. But now, a vision worth $450 billion is emerging to shatter this barrier, promising to redefine the very concept of global connectivity. I am standing at the edge of Cape Desnev, the easternmost point of Eurasia, looking out across 80 kilometers of the world's most treacherous ocean. Ahead of me lies a frozen death trap where temperatures regularly plummet to minus 50 degrees, a place where nature has always held the upper hand. For centuries, this gap was an impossible wall for humanity, but today, we are preparing to build a bridge across the end of the world. This project will erase the distance between East and West, linking the massive economies of Asia and America through a single revolutionary land transport corridor. Imagine a world where goods move seamlessly from Shanghai to New York by rail, bypassing the slow and dangerous sea routes of the Pacific Ocean. We are talking about a structure that will challenge every limit of physical engineering and change the geopolitical landscape of our planet forever. This is the Ice Bridge Project, a $450 billion gamble to unite the world and secure the future of international commerce. Step into the future of engineering, where we battle the elements and the laws of physics to build the greatest wonder of the modern age. The first challenge is the environment itself. Below these waves, the seafloor is a complex terrain of shifting currents and unstable ancient permafrost layers. We must account for millions of tons of ice moving with the force of a slow-motion freight train, threatening to crush any standard structure in its path. The sheer physical pressure of the Arctic ice pack is enough to buckle steel and shatter concrete, requiring a design that has never existed before. Temperatures here are so extreme that standard construction materials become brittle and lose their integrity, snapping like glass under even the slightest mechanical load. At minus 60 degrees, traditional carbon steel fails. We are operating in a zone where physics works against us, making every weld a potential disaster. The currents beneath the ice are equally treacherous, moving with a speed and unpredictability that makes underwater construction almost impossible for human divers. Every second, the bridge must withstand the combined assault of freezing air, crushing ice, and high-velocity underwater currents that never stop their relentless pounding. Building here isn't just difficult, it is a war against the planet's most extreme conditions, where one small mistake leads to immediate and total catastrophe. The seabed itself is composed of unstable permafrost, a frozen soil that can turn into soft mud if disturbed, making a solid foundation extremely difficult. Traditional drilling methods are useless in this environment. We need to excavate over 400 million cubic meters of rock from a frozen, shifting abyss. The seasonal variation is brutal, giving engineers only a tiny window of time each year to perform the most critical stages of the bridge construction. Arctic storms can generate wind speeds that would tear a normal bridge apart, requiring an aerodynamic profile that can slice through the air without vibrating. Salt spray and freezing moisture create a corrosive cocktail that can eat through protective coatings in months, demanding a new generation of super-resistant materials. To survive, the bridge must be a living machine, capable of heating its own surfaces to prevent the massive buildup of heavy, dangerous ice loads. This is the physical hell that engineers must conquer. It is a landscape that has never allowed a structure of this scale to exist until now. To bridge this gap, we must move beyond the limits of current technology and invent an entirely new language of construction and material science. Our journey begins at the molecular level. Scientists have developed a revolutionary titanium steel alloy that remains flexible and strong even at minus 70 degrees. Next is self-heating superconcrete, infused with conductive carbon fibers that allow the entire structure to maintain a constant, stable internal temperature against the cold. To carve through the seabed, we are using the world's largest tunnel boring machines, monsters with diamond teeth that can grind through the hardest frozen granite. These machines are moving cities, operating deep beneath the ocean floor with a precision of just a few millimeters to ensure the tunnel's perfect alignment. Over 40,000 controlled micro-explosions are used to clear the path, each one carefully timed to avoid destabilizing the fragile permafrost layers above the tunnel. As the TBM advances, a robotic spray system coats the walls with an advanced polymer shell, creating an impenetrable barrier against the freezing ocean water. 180,000 specialized rock bolts are driven deep into the earth, anchoring the tunnel against the massive shifting pressures of the tectonic plates. Inside these tunnels, the temperature is controlled and stable, providing a safe haven for the army of engineers working around the clock to finish the project. On the surface, we use massive vacuum-sealed caissons to create dry working environments on the seabed, allowing for the construction of bridge pylons in deep water. Every component is scanned with sub-millimeter laser precision, because out here, even the smallest gap would be exploited by the freezing expansion of ice. The suspension cables are made of titanium-wrapped carbon fiber, providing 10 times the strength of steel at a fraction of the weight, resisting Arctic corrosion. Automated maintenance robots constantly patrol the structure, using ultrasonic eyes to see through the ice and detect any microscopic cracks before they can grow. The bridge is powered by its own dedicated nuclear microreactors, ensuring a constant supply of heat and electricity even during the worst Arctic blizzards. Every joint is a masterpiece of engineering designed to expand and contract with the extreme temperature swings without ever losing its airtight, waterproof seal. Massive heavy-lift ships transport the prefabricated bridge sections from shipyards thousands of miles away, navigating through the treacherous pack ice with icebreaker escorts. To combat the wind, we installed massive liquid mass dampers inside the bridge spans, which move in opposition to the wind to keep the road stable. Human skill is still at the heart of this project, with elite welders working in pressurized suits to ensure every connection is perfect and permanent. Ventilation systems must move millions of cubic meters of air every hour, keeping the tunnel safe for the thousands of vehicles that will soon pass through. Innovation is the only way forward. Every tool we use has been redesigned to survive and thrive in the most hostile environment on our planet. We are building a nervous system for the bridge, with millions of sensors that report back on the health of the structure in real time. This digital twin allows us to predict the impact of future storms and ice movements, ensuring the bridge remains safe for its entire projected lifespan. With these technologies, the impossible is slowly becoming reality as the first segments of the world's most ambitious project take shape in the ice. The era of Arctic engineering has arrived, and the Bering Strait will never be the same again. We are building the bridge to the future. Welcome to the heart of the project, a massive industrial operation spanning 80 kilometers of the most dangerous ocean territory on the entire planet Earth. Prefabricated bridge modules are towed through the frozen sea, each one a technological marvel that must be positioned with the precision of a surgical instrument. Despite the freezing winds and blinding snow, the work never stops. Teams of engineers and robots collaborate in a dance of heavy machinery and steel. At the Diomede Islands, located right in the middle of the strait, we are boring through solid rock to create a massive subterranean transit hub. This island serves as the vital link between the bridge and the tunnel, a sheltered sanctuary where the two different engineering systems finally meet together. We are moving millions of tons of granite using precision blasting to shape the mountain into a futuristic gateway for the world's trade and transport. Every pylon must be anchored deep into the bedrock, requiring massive underwater drills that can operate in the crushing pressures and freezing temperatures of the abyss. Robot laborers do the most dangerous work, performing high-altitude welds and heavy lifting where human life would be at too great of a risk. The scale is staggering. We are building a city on the water supported by thousands of supply ships and the world's largest fleet of heavy lift equipment. The transition from bridge to tunnel is the most complex part of the design, requiring a seamless flow of traffic through the heart of the island. Keeping the road clear is a constant battle. An automated fleet of snow removers works 24 hours a day to prevent the bridge from being buried. Safety systems are everywhere. Massive floodgates can seal off any section of the tunnel in seconds, protecting the entire structure from even the smallest leak. Deep beneath the ice, the tunnel is a marvel of light and technology, a protected artery that bypasses the chaos of the surface weather completely. The tension in the cables is enough to lift mountains. Each one is a lifeline that holds the entire project together against the weight of gravity. At night, the construction site looks like a scene from another planet, a glowing industrial outpost in the middle of a vast and frozen white void. Human and machine are perfectly integrated here. Our digital systems allow us to control every aspect of the bridge's environment from anywhere on the Earth. Placing the tunnel segments requires incredible patience. We wait for the perfect moment when the currents are still to sink the massive concrete and steel tubes. These towers are the tallest structures in the Arctic, beacons of human achievement that can be seen from miles away across the frozen and desolate landscape. Every bolt and weld is a testament to our will to connect. This is not just a bridge. It is a statement of our technological dominance. Inside the bridge deck itself, a hidden world of service tunnels allows crews to reach any part of the structure in minutes to perform emergency repairs. The foundations are designed to withstand the impact of waves and ice for over 200 years, making this one of the most durable structures ever. The connection is nearly complete. The final segments are being prepared, and soon the two greatest land masses on Earth will be joined as one. This is the moment the world has waited for. The final link in the chain is forged, turning a dream into a solid reality of steel. The ice bridge is no longer a vision. It is a $450 billion achievement that stands as a monument to human engineering. Prepare to witness the revolution. The gates are open, and the world of global trade and logistics is about to be transformed forever by this project. Welcome to the new era of logistics. Inside the Bering Strait tunnel, maglev trains glide at 500 kilometers per hour, carrying thousands of cargo containers. This is silent, frictionless transport. Goods that once took weeks to cross the ocean now move across the Arctic divide in just a matter of hours. The economic impact is staggering. Shipping times from Shanghai to New York are cut from 20 days by sea to just 48 hours by land. In Alaska and Siberia, massive new logistics cities are rising from the permafrost, becoming the most important trade hubs in the entire northern hemisphere of Earth. The ice bridge is the new heartbeat of the world economy, a direct land link that makes traditional, slow maritime routes look like relics of the past. Control centers manage the flow of billions of dollars in goods every day, optimizing the global supply chain with the precision of an advanced supercomputer. This is the ultimate Silk Road of the 21st century, a continuous rail network that connects the industrial powerhouses of the East with the West. It is not just for cargo. High-speed passenger rail now allows people to travel between continents in comfort, witnessing the beauty of the Arctic from above. The project also acts as a massive energy corridor, sharing renewable power and resources between continents, stabilizing the energy future of the entire world population. Fresh food, medicine, and critical technology now flow without delay, reducing costs and improving the quality of life for millions of people across both continents. What was once a frozen wasteland is now a thriving economic zone, powered by the constant movement of trade and the bridge's massive industrial infrastructure. The carbon footprint of global trade is plummeting as high-speed electric rail replaces thousands of heavy-polluting cargo ships that once dominated the Pacific Ocean's waters. Efficiency is the new gold. By removing the risks of the sea, we have created a stable and predictable trade environment for every nation on Earth. This bridge has forced cooperation between nations, creating a shared interest in peace and stability to protect the world's most valuable piece of infrastructure. Automated road transport also thrives here, with smart convoys moving goods through the bridge's climate-controlled lanes regardless of the weather conditions outside the structure. The ice bridge is more than just steel and concrete. It is a symbol of a world that has finally overcome its physical and political divides. It is a lighthouse for the future, a testament to what humanity can achieve when we focus our resources on connection rather than on isolation or conflict. $450 billion was the cost, but the return is a transformation of the global economy that will last for many generations. The Arctic has been conquered, the gap has been closed. We are now living in the age of the unified world, linked by the ice bridge. The sun sets over the Bering Strait, but the light on the ice bridge never fades. This is the legacy we leave for the future of humanity. We have built more than a structure. We have built a path to a more connected world where no distance is too great and no ocean too deep. Thousands of men and women from every corner of the globe dedicated their lives to this project, proving that nothing is impossible for the human spirit. This island, once a lonely outpost, is now the beating heart of a global network, a monument to our ability to tame the most hostile environments. From the frozen ground, new opportunities have grown. The Arctic is no longer a barrier, but a bridge that brings us all closer together as one. The flags that fly here represent a shared victory for all of mankind, a triumph of engineering and cooperation over the limits of nature and history. Our materials have stood the test. Our designs have held firm. The ice bridge is built to last for centuries, a permanent gift to the future. This is the world we dreamed of, a world where the edge of the map is no longer a stopping point, but a place of incredible discovery. The ripples of this project will be felt in every market and every home as the cost of distance continues to vanish from the human experience. We are the guardians of this connection, using our most advanced technology to ensure that the ice bridge remains a safe and reliable path forever. Through every season and every challenge, the bridge remains. It is a constant in a changing world, a solid line of hope and human progress. We look back at what we have overcome, and we realize that the greatest challenge was not the ice or the wind, but our own doubt. I am AI Name, and I have seen the future of our planet. The ice bridge is a testament to the fact that we can do anything. Join us as we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, building the next generation of wonders that will define our shared human journey. The ice bridge is just the beginning. The world is getting smaller, and our dreams are getting bigger. The future is waiting for us all today. Challenge every limit. Build every dream. We will see you at the next mega project, where we continue to transform the impossible into the real world. This is the Ice Bridge, the $450 billion miracle that changed the world. Goodbye for now, and keep dreaming of the future.